Hello friends, I am Needhika and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Pav-Bhaji. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We are going to peel, chop and wash 4 potatoes. After that, I am going to put all that potatoes in a pressure cooker along with 2 cups of peas and 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. Since I don't have fresh tomatoes, I am going to use canned tomatoes. After that, I will add water until the height of the vegetables. I will also add 1/4 spoon salt. I will mix all the vegetables and close the lid and place it on a gas stove. I will pressure cook the vegetables until 3 to 4 whistles. Until then, I will chop a big onion and 1 green bell pepper. Whistle 1. Whistle 2 and whistle 3. I will heat a cooking pot and add 2 spoons of vegetable oil. Add half spoon cumin seeds. Add chopped onions. Add half spoon salt and half spoon turmeric powder. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Add chopped green bell peppers. Mix it, cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Open your pressure cooker and add your boiled vegetables to this hot pot. Mash your vegetables until it becomes a paste. Add half spoon red chilli powder, 1 spoon Pav-Bhaji masala. Mix it well, cover and cook it for another 5 minutes. Cook it until it becomes a thick paste and then add 1 spoon butter. Add a spoon of lime juice and garnish it with cilantro. Serve it with toasted buns and chopped onions. Our Pav-Bhaji is ready.